Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. As you may have heard, we've been having some truly miserable weather here in England. Where I am in North London, we've had the coldest and wettest May on record. It's been stuck at around 12 or 13 degrees most days, which is very cold for the time of year. We've had endless days of pelting rain, and on a couple of occasions we even had hail, lumps of ice dropping out of the sky. Now, you can imagine that after weeks of this, it starts to get you down a little bit. And none of this has been helped by the fact that many of my students seem to be living in places experiencing heat waves. Yesterday, I was chatting to one of my students from Orenburg in central Russia, and he said, "Oh, it's lovely here. It's about 33 degrees. Well, bully for you," I responded. If you say bully for you, it's an ironic, sarcastic way of saying, well, that's lovely for you, but it has the extra meaning, usually, of, and I hate you for telling me this, and I don't want to hear about it. So maybe a colleague of yours might say, oh yeah, I get 12 weeks off over the summer, and you say, well, bully for you. That's great. I have to work all the way through to the middle of August. Another colleague might tell you, hey, did I tell you I got promoted and I got a really good pay rise? Bully for you. I've been passed over for promotion 3 times now and I haven't had a pay rise for 10 years. If you have enjoyed this video, click the like button, the thumbs up sign below. It helps us with the algorithm. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use, well, bully for you.